Let's see if we just floored. Like and subscribe to the limits. All right, guys, welcome to another video, because yes, it's another video. We're about to go for a drive in the Mach 1. It is stick shift. Never driven a Mach 1. I've driven GT350s, normal Mustangs, but we're going right in the midst. It has a GT350 gearbox, a Tremec. We're gonna see how it feels. We're gonna push it to the limits, and we're gonna enjoy this drive, man. Let's get it. Advanced track off. Perfect. All right, let's go for a drive. We ain't gonna start with the donuts yet. We're just gonna take it for a nice. Ooh. Okay. There's a big old bump right here. Oh, there we go. Ready? Yeah. That's American muscle, baby. Bro, I haven't driven a muscle car in a minute. It's nothing like an American muscle car the way it drives, bro. It's like you feel that instant torque. It can go. Ready? Let's get it. Take it through the corner, see what it handles like. What a grip. I mean,
that's why it's a little sketchy drifting with these tires.
Because it wants a grip and then it wants to slide. Bro, that shit revs out all the way, bro. Oh my gosh.
That's why I was doing it first.
All right, we're just gonna go around and then we go back down there. Bro, this thing sounds so nice. Yeah. You daily, right?
Yeah.
You just cruise through the gears every time, right? Like I would literally just go through the gears every time. Let's see if we just floored. Bro, when you put clutch in, no pop.
Yeah, that sounds amazing.
Oh my gosh, this thing sounds sick. Wow, this thing sounds sick. Go make me get a Mustang next. That's why it's a Mach 1, because it turns. Ooh, that was a nice downshift. All right, let's go do it. Ready? That's exactly how I learned too, on the sim. it like instantly goes around though. Little short video with the Mach 1, guys. Check out his Instagram if you want to see more. You posted on your Instagram?
Yeah, I'll be posting.
All right. Tell them your IG.
SFL__.
All right, there you go. I'll put it in the description. This thing is amazing, bro. It goes through the corners, hella good. And then donuts? Ooh, yes it will. It's over it up. Oh my. Oh my gosh, bro. Thank you. This thing felt really good. So yeah, Tremec 6-speed rear wheel drive, as you can see, V8, and it felt amazing. It did those donuts easily, and oh my gosh, it burned the tires, bro. Even when I grabbed second, it started spinning again. Oh yeah, that's sick. Come on now. That's the Mach 1. If you guys didn't know, we also raced the Mach 1 with the M5, his brother's Mach 1. I know 2 brothers got Mach 1s, right? So yeah, that one is 10-speed, this one is manual. So we drove the manual, but we raced the 10-speed. It's on 85, so go see what that video did. And yeah, see you guys in the next one. Bye. Them boys' cars are so nice. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that video, man. And things are super nice. Yo, bro, they sound different.
Yeah, they do.
They sound different, even though it's the same car. What?
Heard his gear change though?
Oh.
No.